It doesn't take 10 minutes to join to the next class. Is the previous class still not over?
No, ma'am, the class is going on, chemistry class.
Still going on. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
One thing for your understanding, which each one of you present in CSE first semester should know, that first 2 weeks, Professor Aditya would be taking classes, and then following those 2 weeks, I'll be taking 2 weeks, and then Professor Aditya. But one thing which you should know is that the topics are not going to overlap. He'll be covering his set of topics, his set of units, and I'll be covering mine, and I'll be conducting my quiz related to the topics that are covered from my side. Done. And I'll wait for 3 to 4 minutes further, and then I'll start teaching. And whatever stuff I'll be uploading on Microsoft Teams, I'll write my name that this is the stuff that I'm uploading and this is related to your particular subject. Just a second, still brings me there. Okay, Prashant, you are there. First question is, are you aware about the course curriculum? Anyone can respond. Yes, just give your name because it's your first class.
Yes, ma'am.
Prashant? Yes.
Yes, Prashant.
Yes, Prashant. Are you aware about your course curriculum? Be quick, Prashant.
Ma'am, it has been a different class, so it is our first class. We are not aware of what you are going to teach.
Excuse me, I'm talking about English communication skills. Are you aware about the course curriculum? Mr. Rahul, are you aware? At least give a reply, Rahul. Unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware about the course curriculum, the number of units that we are supposed to cover in English communication skills classes in totality?
No, ma'am. I don't know.
You don't know. So what I'll do is, once the class is over, done, I'll be uploading the course curriculum, done, the entire, that's available on NITJ site as well. And as far as your knowledge goes, what you should know is, I'll be covering unit number 2 with your section. I am responsible only for unit number 2 and unit number 5. That's it. And certain grammar portions. You can, you may, the way you are, the way you're comfortable, you should know that either I'll be this unit number 2 I'll be taking care of, unit number 5 I'll be taking care of, and 50% of the grammar portion. That's it. And all the quizzes would be covered from whatever I teach. Is it clear? Any difficulty in this particular part?
No, ma'am.
Others as well, please show your video. Okay, Anmol, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Anmol, good. Okay, Anmol, your hair is perfect. Don't worry. I'll write a word in the chat box.
What do we have to do?
Anmol, I have typed a word in the chat box. I need the pronunciation of this word.
Num.
Yes, please.
Num.
I need pronunciation once again,
Num.
please.
Num.
Okay. Ankit, are you there? Ankit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm here.
Ankit, what's the pronunciation of this word? Don't take too much of time. I have typed it in the chat box. N-U-M-B. What's the pronunciation of this word?
Numb.
The pronunciation is wrong. Harsh. Harsh Diman. Yes, please. Once again, Harsh.
Num.
Once again, Harsh.
Num.
Okay, good. Good. Just a second. Anjana. Anjana? 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 Are you present in the class? One is when you are present in my classes, the 3 classes, your mic should be in the mute mode. You unmute it when questions are asked. Video should be on, please. Anjana? Anjana, are you there? Okay. Cherry? Cherry, are you there? See, I'll be taking random attendance like this as well. So, you know, you are responsible for your attendance, your continuous assessment. Cherry, there were multiple pronunciations of these words. What's the pronunciation according to you? N-U-M-B.
Ma'am, num.
Num. I can see Divya Mittal as well. Divya, what's the pronunciation of this word?
Num.
Okay. There are certain students, you know, who are given various pronunciation. I'll teach you. Now, my dear ones, when you have this word N-U-M-B, the pronunciation is not numb. B is not audible. B is not audible, Keshav. Whenever you have MB together, I'll be repeating once again. Whenever you have MB together in a set of word, 101%, when it is at the end stage of a word, you're supposed to keep B silent. Keshav, Keshav, are you there? Keshav, go ahead.
Yes,
Keshav,
ma'am.
go ahead. Yes, Keshav. I have given you this word N-U-M-B. I have taught you a golden rule. At the end stage of a word, if you have MB there, you have to keep B silent and the pronunciation would be, yes, please,
Num.
Keshav, what would? Yes,
When
once
the
again.
Num.
Yes, Keshav.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
When the pronunciation would be like num.
Okay. Okay. Acceptable, acceptable. Kindly be on time in my classes. This is not the way. Till 40 you are, you know. I'll not admit next time. I'll not admit students like this.
Sir left the class
Sir
at
left us late today.
2:37.
So we
Okay,
are extremely
okay.
sorry for
Let's move further. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. Now let's move further. I'll type a new word and that, see, first your pronunciation in tits and bits needs to be enhanced. Now I've written T-H-U-M-B. Yes, please. Prashant Punya.
Thumb.
Yes, please. Once again.
Thumb.
Okay, thumb. It will not be thumb. B should not be there. Is it clear? Now I'll write one more word. One more word, please. H-U-M-B-L-E. Now you have MB together, not in the end stage of a word, but at the center stage of a word. Now tell me, how would you pronounce it? Yes, please.
humble.
Yes, please.
Humble.
Humble. Yes, the pronunciation is humble. The rule doesn't apply in this particular word. I taught you a golden rule. Whenever MB are together at the end stage of a word, you are supposed to pronounce it. Sorry, keep it silent. But it's not necessary when it is at the center stage of a word. I'll give you one more example. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. How would you pronounce this word?
Plumber.
It is not plumber. Once again, apply the rule.
Plumber.
Yes, please.
Plumber.
It is not. No.
Plumber.
Most of you.
Plumber.
Okay,
Plumber.
Be quiet. Yogin Pahuja. Yogin Pahuja.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the pronunciation of this word.
Plumber.
Once again, Yogin.
Plumber.
You are wrong, Yogin. You have MB together. In this particular set, you are supposed to keep burr silent. Manpreet Singh, how would you pronounce this word then?
Ma'am, plumber.
No, keep burr silent. Keshav Goyal.
Plumber.
Rahul,
Yes, ma'am.
pronunciation
Plumber.
please.
Plumber.
Plumber. Yes,
Plumber.
please.
Plumber.
Plumber.
This the word would be pronounced as plumber. I need your videos, please. I need everyone's video present in my class. I need everyone's video present in my class. Audio should not be there. You just unmute when asked. Otherwise, don't unmute it. Okay. Now I had taught this rule. CRUMB. We have read. What would be the pronunciation, please? CRUMB.
Crumb.
Yes, good. It would
Crumb.
be again
Crumb.
MB together at the end stage of a word. Whenever you have MB together at the end stage of a word, you have to keep burr silent. So the pronunciation is crumb. Crumb. But this golden rule, Mr. Yogin Pahuja, you are not supposed to eat and attend the class. Either you have your lunch or you attend the class. Better keep your videos on. Okay. Now, I have given you these words. Yes, please.
Your sound is echoing.
I have not kept any system on.
Someone has joined from both mobile and laptop, 2 devices, and his mic is on.
So it's not my problem. You have to learn. You have to cope up. It's not the duty of the teacher. You have to be sensible enough when you are attending classes how to go about it. Okay. Bhavna Yadav. Bhavna, good afternoon. Bhavna? It's not there. Harmandeep Singh. Harmandeep Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I'll give you one word. A, D, J, O, I. Okay, I'll give you this word. A, D, J, U, S, T. Harmandeep Singh, how would you pronounce this word?
Adjust.
Harmandeep Singh, you are absolutely wrong. Bhavna Yadav, can you try? Arav. Arav.
Adjust.
Arav, can you try? Yes, please, Arav.
Adjust.
Adjust. It is not D is silent. D is silent.
Adjust.
After 50, after 50, I'm not going to admit anyone because the teacher is not teaching till 50. You should be punctual in the classes, though they are online classes. Okay. Now the rule says whenever you have DJ together, you have to keep which sound silent? You have to keep which sound silent?
No.
You have to keep the silent. It is adjust. Okay, let me type one more word. Yes, please.
Adjoin.
Yes, it's adjoin.
Adjoin.
It is adjoin. It is not adjoin. It is not adjoin. It is adjoin. I have taught you 2 rules till now. MB together, 101% at the end stage of a word. We are supposed to keep which sound silent? Burr silent. But the rule is not applicable at the center stage of a word. For example, HUMBLE is humble and not humble, but exceptions are there, and I gave you the word plumber for it. And then I have taught you the next rule. Let me give you one more word with the next rule. How would you pronounce this word, please?
Adjective.
Adjective.
Once again,
Adjective.
yes,
Adjective.
it is not,
Adjective.
yes, please, it is not adjective, it is adjective. Which two words are together?
D and J.
D and J. Whenever we have D and J together, we are supposed to keep which sound silent?
D.
D.
The has to be kept silent. Is it clear? Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here?
Yes, ma'am. One doubt.
There is someone has raised his hand. I think it is just a second. It is Yogin. Yogin, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, I wanted to know when the B word has to get silent.
Whenever MP are together at the end stage of a word.
Okay, ma'am.
Whenever MP are together at the end stage of a word, we are supposed to keep the silent. But this rule is applicable only 1% when MP are together at the center stage of a word. And I gave you the example of plumber. But it's not applicable everywhere at the end center stage. For that, I gave you the example of humble. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you.
It's your first class. That's why you're not punctual. I cannot tolerate this kind of nonsense going on that students are still getting, joining. This is not the way. Okay. Now I wrote this word adjective. Adjective. I want Harmandeep Singh to have a Harmandeep Singh, you are there? Harmandeep Singh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Harman, have a look at Manpreet Singh. Manpreet Singh, adjust your camera. We want to see your face. Adjust your camera. Yes. Harman, after looking at Manpreet, tell me one quality that you can identify. Tell me one quality of Manpreet that you can identify that after looking at Manpreet.
He studied too much. He's having
He's
stress.
tired. Give me his quality. Give me his quality. He's tired. Give me his quality. When you look at him, give his quality, please. Okay, Manpreet. Similarly, you can have a look at Mr. Harmandeep Singh. Tell me look at him and give me his quality.
He is not visible. His video is not.
Your video, Manpreet, is not visible. His is visible. Once again, have a look at Harmandeep Singh. Okay, Yogin, can you see Harmandeep Singh? Yogin?
Yes, ma'am. I can see Harmandeep Singh.
Can you give me one quality? You look at Harmandeep Singh. What kind of boy he seems to be?
So, ma'am, by the outlook, he seems to be very disciplined.
Disciplined. Very good. And Harman, can you see Mr. Yogin?
Yes, ma'am.
Harman?
Yes, ma'am.
Does he? Okay, give me one quality of Yogin. You look at Yogin and tell me his quality.
Ma'am, he is very attentive.
Attentive. Now, Mr. Harmandeep Singh is disciplined. He is attentive. I find him notorious. I find Yogin notorious. Doesn't he look notorious? Harman?
Ma'am, seems a little bit.
Seems a little bit. Yogin, you seem to be notorious. Now, my dear ones, we are learning the rules of silent letters. I completed 2 rules and randomly I introduced the word adjective with each one of you. Now, placement companies, when they do interact with you, at times they don't say introduce yourself. They'll say give us 3 to 4 adjectives that describe your personality. So adjectives are qualities of a noun. Now, I'll teach you in a very simple manner. Whatever you see in a room, just tell me whatever you're seeing in your room, please. Give me the objects that you're seeing in your room.
My laptop.
Laptop,
Books.
Table.
books,
Pen.
table.
Charger.
Yes, please. Charger,
Pen. Watch.
fan, watch, spectacles. All these are nouns. All these are nouns. Whatever you are seeing are nouns. Is it clear? Now, whatever you're seeing is a noun, and when you start telling their qualities, when you start describing their qualities, maybe positive or negative, they are known as adjectives. Is it clear? So each one of you present in my class should know at least 2 to 3 positive adjectives that describe your personality. Now Yogit or maybe Mr. Manpreet Singh, can I have a look at certain other students of my class? Just a second. Shivam. Shivam, are you there? Shivam?
Yes, ma'am.
Shivam, are you there? I want to have a look at the video as well. Yes, Shivam, I want to have a look at the video as well. Shivam? Video, please. Shashank, video. You have to mend your ways. You have to seriously mend your ways in my classes. Shashank, your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Shashank, I cannot see you. Your video as well.
On my video, ma'am.
Okay, Shashank, give me 2 positive qualities of yours. Be quick, Shashank. I have to teach a lot.
Caustic.
Shashank, 1 quality of yours.
Hard
I don't
working,
know
ma'am.
you are hardworking. The company asks, if your company person asks, and Shashank says, I am hardworking. Describe yourself in 5 different adjectives. I am hardworking. This makes sense. Very good. Okay, Shashank, done. Now, can I have, just a second, Yash Bhatia. Yash Bhatia, please. Yash, your video. Please show your videos. Yes, Yash. Give me 1 quality of yours.
Ma'am, annoying.
Annoying. Now, he gave us a negative trait, a negative quality of his personality. But there is a way to portray your negative traits as well. When a company comes and they try to recruit you, they ask you certain questions. There is a way to give your weaknesses negative qualities as well. So for the time being, I have taught you 2 golden rules related to silent letters, and simultaneously I have touched in bits and bits the grammar parts. For the time being, whatever you see is a noun, and when you start describing their qualities, they are known as adjectives. Is it clear? And that's 2 to 3 things. Okay. खाना नहीं खाना है, यश, in between. ठीक है? Yash, ask your mother to stop. Ask your mother to stop in between. Okay. I can understand, but please stop it. There is some kind of decorum that needs to be maintained in online classes as well. Okay, now let's proceed further. Just a second. Now you will not be there. It's better to see everyone. I will not admit anyone after half an hour. I'll admit only for the first 15 minutes. Please be punctual in my classes. Okay, 2 golden rules you have understood. Now let me type certain words. H-E-A-R-T. I will not admit anyone. Now, H-E-A-R-T. And then I have A-I-R-P-O-R-T. Pronounce this word, please. Anyone can pronounce.
Heart.
Heart airport.
Heart. Heart. Okay.
Heart
And the
Airport.
second one would be.
airport.
Airport.
And the second one is. Okay.
Airport.
Okay. Most of you. Okay, that's done.
Heart airport.
Done. Let me have a look at the participants. Now, Mr. Parambir Singh Kohli. Video on, please. Mr. Parambir Singh Kohli.
Yes, ma'am.
Video on, please.
Ma'am, sorry, I can't turn on my video. Actually,
Why?
I'm not. I'm not wearing my turban, so I can't.
Next time, be in your turban then.
Yes, ma'am.
You are in a class.
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya Das. Shreya Das.
Yes, ma'am.
Video, please. Shreya, your video, please. Yes, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we had this words, two words, H-E-A-R-T, and then I had this one, A-I-R-P-O-R-T. And most of the students gave me the right pronunciation that it is heart and airport. Done. Now, my question to you is, Shreya, why are we keeping R silent? Hint is, it's not because two words, two alphabets are together. Why are we keeping R silent, Shreya? Yes, Shreya? Guesses?
No, ma'am.
No guesses from Shreya. Anyone who can make a guess?
My A is vowel.
And just video, please. Video your name, because you know I have to get acquainted with your names as well. Yes, please.
R is written
Nahi.
after a vowel.
Yes.
Just a second. Who is speaking? Yogin, you are speaking. Yogin Pahuja. Yes, please.
R
Yes,
is
please
writ-
speak.
it's just a guess. R is written after a vowel in both the words.
Bullseye.
Yes.
Bullseye. Now, now please pay attention. H-E-A-R-T. Now the rule, Mr. Yogit Pahuja, is not absolutely right. The rule that you gave, the right rule is after R, if you have a consonant sound, you are supposed to keep it silent. After R, if you have a consonant sound, you are supposed to keep it silent. For example, T. T is a consonant sound. Similarly, A-I-R-P-O-R-T. After R, you have P. P is again a consonant sound. So you are supposed to keep R silent. Now, I'll ask a question to a specific student. Everyone is supposed to be quiet. Just a second. No, not just Kirat. I'll have. You don't have girls in your class? Riddhima. Riddhima? Video, please. Riddhima? Riddhima, video, please. Are you there, Riddhima? In this way, besides your online attendance, this is the way to take random attendance, the way I do in my classes. If Riddhima is not responding, it means she's not present in the class, so she'll be marked absent. Okay, Sai Teja? Sai Teja, are you there? Yes, Sai Teja, good afternoon. Sai Teja, good afternoon. Now, the word was P-A-T-T-E-R-N. What's the pronunciation of this word, Sai Teja?
Pattern.
Can
Pattern.
you
Yes.
tell it?
Sai, yes, please go ahead.
Can you speak it once again, ma'am?
I have typed it in this chat
Not this-
box as well. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. I've typed it in the chat box. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. Hanji, once again, Sai Teja.
Pattern.
Pattern. You are supposed to keep pattern. It is not pattern. R has to be kept silent because after this R, you have a consonant sound and not a vowel sound. This is the golden rule for R. Whenever you open any booklet of your choice, any book of your choice, you'll find R in every second or a third word. Okay, just a second. Just a second, please. Participants list. We don't have girls in our class. Noor, the CR. Let me have a look at Noor, the CR. Yes, Noor, good morning. Good afternoon, Noor. Video. Noor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the word for you, Noor.
Yes, ma'am.
How would you pronounce this word?
Just a second. Actually, I'm on phone. Which word have you? Can you please spell it? Actually, I can't open my chat right now.
R-I-N-G.
Ring.
Yes. Noor, why didn't we keep R silent in this set of words?
Because it's starting letter.
No, it has nothing to do that it's starting with the alphabet R. What's the rule? Guesses, please. After this
Ma'am,
R,
it is
which
followed by a
sound is
vowel
there?
sound. Followed by
Yes,
vowel.
it's
Vowel.
after R. If you have, please focus, vowel sounds, not alphabets, sounds. After R, if you have vowel sounds, you are supposed to pronounce it. For example, can you give me more words? Can you give me more words wherein we are supposed to pronounce the word R?
Repeat, ma'am.
Round.
Roar.
Okay. These rules are not applicable for names. Names are going to change as per the country, the nation, the way, the state, wherever you are. Okay. R-A-P-I-D. Yes, please. R-A-P-I-D. After R, you have a vowel sound. Okay, rattle. You're giving good words. Rapid. I have a question now. C-U-R-R-Y. C-U-R-R-Y. Now, please stop typing. The representatives of the class, please stop typing. Please stop typing. Please stop typing. Now, you have this word, C-U-R-R-Y. You know, if you look at this word, why are we pronouncing the second R?
Ma'am, it sounds like
What
E.
makes us to pronounce the second R?
The last word, ma'am, we have to pronounce like E. So E is a sound of vowel.
Who is giving me this answer?
Sarthak.
Sarthak. Sarthak is giving me this particular answer. Sarthak, very good enough. Sarthak, it's not about R coming twice. First R is silent. Second R, after the second R, the sound is E. The sound is E. That's why you are supposed to pronounce it as curry. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? You are supposed to focus on the sounds and not on the alphabets. Let me teach you one more thing. See, today class, I'll be focusing only on the pronunciation bits and bits. From next class, I am not going to admit anyone. Nonsense. And don't disturb me in between, asking me to join. Because I was teaching you all these things. Okay. Siddharth, that's not the answer. I've given you this one. Now, whenever we listen, whenever we have these words, we pronounce it as, I'll teach you the difference between van and everything. For the time being, I'm in a mood to teach you something, and that is, whenever we ask, you simply give us the pronunciation. Noor, where have you vanished? Noor, you are not there in the class? Okay. Noor, can you give me the pronunciation of the second word, second vowel sound? Unmute, Noor. Unmute your mic. Yes.
Can you please repeat? Second.
The question second is, I have typed something. What's the pronunciation of this vowel sound? Good. Anyone else having a different kind of pronunciation, please? Who is saying E? Please be comfortable in saying E as well. Can I have a look at the name of the candidate? हाँ जी बेटा बोलिए.
E होगा मैम.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
E.
Ujjwal.
E.
Ujjwal. Ujjwal, it's Ujjwal. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ujjwal, I want to see the video as well. Ujjwal, your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Your video.
Okay.
Ujjwal, now E-double-G. What's the pronunciation, Ujjwal?
Yes, ma'am. Egg.
We don't say ig. We don't pronounce it as ig. It is egg. Egg. The sound is egg. Similarly, I'll choose some other candidate now. Can I have the videos of girls in my class, please? I want to have a look at the girls present in my class as well. Kindly, show me your videos and give me your name as well. Priyanka is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka? Priyanka, your video,
Yes, ma'am.
please.
On है ma'am.
On है video. Okay. Priyanka beta, we are doing this sound. Na? Ab ye dekho, we always say it is E, but it is not E. For instance, E-L-E-V-A-T-O-R. What's the pronunciation of this word? Priyanka, unmute करके बोलिए.
Elevator, ma'am. Elevator.
Elevator. It's not elevator, it is elevator. My question to Sarthak is, what's the pronunciation of the word then?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Sarthak, what's the pronunciation of this word? P-R-E-F-A-C-E.
Preface.
Nahi. Sarthak, once again try. I taught you something. It is not ig. It is egg. It is not elevator. It is elevator. Similarly, P-R-E-F-A-C-E would be preface. Preface. Dekho, when we use re as a prefix, ये ना जैसे recycle, redo. When it is used as a prefix, then it is e. Otherwise, the pronunciation is a. I'll be actually Professor Aditya Prakash would be teaching you these sounds. Okay? It's simply for the first day when you have to interact with me, at least the normal words should be right with the help of these silent letters. Is this clear? We are still with the third rule. The third rule is, of R that I'm teaching. Okay, Priyanka, can you repeat the R rule?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Priyanka. Can you repeat the R rule?
What I have to repeat?
What's the rule? Silent letter rule for R.
Okay. Ma'am, for R, if after R there is a consonant, it should be silent.
Okay, and if it is a vowel sound, you are supposed to pronounce it. Okay. अब प्रियंका words दीजिए wherein R is supposed to be pronounced.
Ma'am, which you have already taught us.
No, any word of your choice.
Ma'am, it should be. Ma'am, let me think.
You are in which engineering?
Computer science.
COMPUTER. I have intentionally asked this question. There are words wherein after R, either you have a consonant sound, you have a vowel sound. I have taught you this rule. But there are certain words wherein R is at the end of a word. Then what would you do? If it's at the end of a word, after R, consonant sound. For example, WORD. After this R, you have a consonant sound, so you are supposed to keep it silent. Okay? If you have a vowel sound, you are supposed to, for example, in the case of RAM, RAM. You computer science students, right? RAM and ROM you have, I suppose. RAM, ROM you have. So you're supposed to pronounce it because you have this sound. Now, when it is at the end of a word, you know, you don't, neither you have a consonant nor you have a vowel sound. What are we supposed to do then? How would you pronounce it, please? You're in which engineering? Anyone from the
Ma'am,
class,
we have
please?
to pronounce it.
Yes, please.
Computer. Silent.
Yeah, it's not silent. Neither it is silenced nor it is too stressed. It would be basically the pronunciation would be computer. You will not stress it. You know, for example, car. It is not car. R should not be stressed too much. Neither it is silent nor it is stressed too much. So there is no E in Rome, ma'am. Okay, thank you very much for Weber. Typing errors would go on. Okay. Okay. Now let's move further. Have you understood these 2 to 3 rules? Any doubts, please? It's 15, 18 in my watch.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
please. Go ahead. Yes, give your name and ask your doubt.
Hello, ma'am. My name
Yes,
is Aditya.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the rule when R is at the end?
When R is at the end, neither you're supposed to stress it too much, nor you're supposed to keep it completely silent. You have to minutely, slightly put a stress. Slightly put a stress, but it should not be emphasized too much. Is it clear? For example, I have given you the word car. Sorry, not cart. This is the wrong word. CAR. So the first one, it is cart, and the second one, it is car. Okay, now more doubts, please.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, Yogen, go ahead.
Ma'am, like in elevator, it's firstly A, then E. But when we pronounce clone, it's neither of the two. How can we explain that?
For that, we have those phonetic sounds. The unit number 4 is there. So we'll be doing all those sounds in tits and bits. It's simply an introductory session for you that every time if you see this word, it is not E. Please, this one is E. This one is E. This one is A. Similarly, there are more sounds that will be taught you in the coming sessions, wherein you'll be understanding the difference between this, all the things. Okay, more questions, please. Last 5 minutes for the question and answer round. If you have any queries, basically, I'm going to teach you only unit number 2 and unit number 5. and 50% of the grammar portion. That's it.
Hello.
Hello, Sarthak, you are the one
No, ma'am.
who's asking question. Name, please.
Anand Raj, ma'am.
Anand Raj, yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. मैम
Yes,
डबल आर
Anand,
वाला
question.
कॉन्सेप्ट डबल आर वाला मैम कॉन्सेप्ट एक बार रिपीट कीजिएगा. जैसे डबल आर था तो पहला जो है आर कॉन्सेप्ट को साइलेंस हो
कौन से
जाता है.
वाला?
दूसरा जो है डबल आर वाला
कौन
जैसे
से वाला?
CARRY. जी CURRY.
ओके, कैरी खरी. अब देखो मिस्टर आनंद राज, आनंद, after first R you have a consonant sound. R is there. R is not a
Yes,
vowel
ma'am.
sound. So first R is silent. Is it clear? But if you have a look at the second R, after the second R, the sound is E. The sound is E. So you are supposed to pronounce the second R. Yes. Yash, a beautiful example. Yes, please. Scary. The sound is E. आनंद समझ आया?
यस मैम. बट जैसे आपने बताया कि अगर आर के बाद जो है कॉन्सोनेंट हो तो साइलेंट हो जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ डबल आर के बाद जो है लास्ट आर ना मैम साइलेंट होना चाहिए.
साउंड आनंद, साउंड की तरफ ध्यान देना है, अल्फाबेट की तरफ नहीं देना है. ठीक है आनंद? आनंद, साउंड क्या है? ई की है. साउंड किसका है? ई का है. ठीक है आनंद? तो इसलिए आपने ये नहीं देखना, ये अल्फाबेट्स नहीं चेक करने हैं. ठीक है? ये अल्फाबेट्स नहीं चेक करने, आपने साउंड चेक करनी है कि साउंड क्या है. ठीक है? धीरे धीरे आएगा. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल Ranjan Kumar has given the example of FURY. It is E. The sound is E. That's why we say fury. Good. और कोई डाउट है? लास्ट 5 minutes you can ask your doubts. हाँ जी.
थैंक यू.
हाँ जी, नाम बताइए and then ask questions.
मैम CURRY.
हाँ जी, ये करवा दिया बेटा. CURRY. After first R have a consonant sound. हाँ जी. हाँ, टाइप करो चैट बॉक्स में. टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स.
ओके मैम.
Ranjan, I'll take care of your query afterwards. Maybe the next class. Have patience.
मैम.
Yes.
मैम गौरव, रिसाइकल वाला समझ में नहीं आया मैम. री या रे होना चाहिए था ना?
नहीं बेटा, री यहाँ पे प्रीफिक्स है. गौरव, री प्रीफिक्स है. जैसे हम प्रीफिक्सेस लगाते हैं, री प्रीफिक्स का मतलब होता है वंस अगेन, है ना? Once again. यहाँ पे the pronunciation is of E. Recycle. Reuse.
Okay ma'am.
Recast. ठीक है? More questions please. I'm not talking about re as a prefix. I'm talking about in the words. For example, DISCRETION. DISCRETION. How would you pronounce this one?
Description.
Very good. I don't know who gave the answer. It's a huge class. Huge class. It's a discretion. R is silent. Discretion. R is not silent. You have a. Discretion. Discretion. It's not cretion. It's not cretion.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who's the one speaking?
It's Anika, ma'am.
Anika. Okay, Anika. Show me your video as well, bache.
Can you see the video?
Anika, video. Yes, Anika.
Yeah. Ma'am, my question to you was, since we are talking about pronunciations, there are two ways you can pronounce any word, right? It can be either British or American accent. So it's not necessary for a person to use this words which you are telling or which all of us are telling. You can use it either ways. Like if you take the word dynasty, it can be dynasty and dynasty. It's pronounced both the ways. So I just had a query that way.
No,
Could you
I have not chosen the words related to British and American English. For the very first lecture, I have intentionally chosen the words that follow certain kinds of norms and regulations which are universally acceptable. That's why I said kindly drop the name of people. You know, they are going to change because Rahul can be Rahul in India. It can be Stephen here, Stephen somewhere else. Depends. So please drop the names. For the very first class, intentionally I have not chosen UK and the British and the American. I have not gone through these things. These rules are universally applicable. Even exceptions are universally applicable. For the time being, I've chosen like this. More questions? More questions?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Name please.
I'm Anmol Bakshi. Actually, ma'am, today is a maths quiz and the quiz has come. We have to complete it in 1 hour. Can we please complete it?
Okay, let me. Randomly I had chosen names. There were no responses, so they have been marked absent. Rest I'll be, downloading the list. Just a second.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just a second. Let me, download the list of attendance.
मैम my name is भाभी आपने मेरी अटेंडेंस प्रेजेंट मार्क करी है कि एब्सेंट